Second time to watch. My name's Doug. This is Doug's Open Road Classics. So today I'm at the wheels at the Warren. I've met Dave here, who's come in his absolutely amazing little Austin 7. It's a great car. My dad had a nippy back in the day, so I'm always drawn to these cars. Dave's very, very kindly agreed to give us a rundown on this amazing little machine.
Yeah, hi Doug. So I'll hold that.
Thank you.
I've brought my 1935 Austin 7 Ulster
Beautiful.
replica.
Yeah.
I have to say replica, it's
Yeah.
very important
Yeah.
because it's not an original Ulster.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
it was, I would be a millionaire,
Well,
and I'm not.
it looks $1 million.
So it's a replica, and
Yeah.
it was built about 15 years ago by the previous owner.
Okay.
So I can't take any credit for the work.
That's the way to buy them.
I bought it all done.
Yeah.
He used it for 1 year in the 750 Motor Club race series.
Okay.
So it actually did circuit racing,
Right. Okay. That's even better. Yeah.
which is why it's lowered and it's
Yeah.
a little bit quicker than a normal Austin
Right.
7.
Yeah.
It's got 69 brake horsepower
Okay.
from a 750cc engine.
And for the weight of the.
It's
the weight of it.
330 kilograms.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you do the maths, that's roughly 200 brake horsepower per tonne.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's quite quick.
Yeah. That's what you want, isn't it?
Unusually quick for an
Brilliant.
Austin 7.
Yeah. Yeah.
However, I'm not brave enough to go beyond 60 miles an hour. That's my
I
limit.
get that.
I run out of
Yeah.
bravery at that
Yeah.
point because it's got no seat belts, no roof.
Oh God. Yeah.
And, You know, you have to be careful.
Yeah.
Tiny little contact patch because the wheels are quite small.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So it's a bit of a handful. You have to
Yeah.
concentrate all the time that you're driving it.
Yeah. That's the fun part, though.
You
isn't
can't relax.
it? Yeah.
But what you can't stop doing is smiling.
Yeah. And
It's
that's
one of
what it
those
is,
cars that just makes you smile. So it's
Yeah.
1935 based.
Yeah. Okay.
The original car was a top hat, box saloon.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And then it got rebodied about 15 years ago into
Yeah.
a Roddy Yates Ulster replica body.
It
So it's
looks
all
beautiful.
aluminium,
Yeah.
hand
even
formed,
better. Yeah.
hand formed over
Wow.
a wooden jig.
Yeah.
Very incredible.
Yeah,
I mean, this is
that's
body number
talented.
117,
Okay.
which means Roddy Yates coach builder built at least 117 of these.
Yeah. I wonder how many are left.
And I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't
Yeah,
know.
that'd
how
be
many
interesting,
left.
wouldn't it?
But it's a fascinating car.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
Yeah.
And very enjoyable, and kids love it.
Yeah. I've seen people swarming around it.
But when you
today,
pull up at a
literally.
petrol station, you always get somebody come
Yeah.
and ask you a question about it,
Yeah.
and so we really enjoy it.
Yeah. Oh,
It's beautiful fun, and things to point out. It's supercharged,
right. Okay.
so it's got a belt-driven
Right.
supercharger,
Okay.
and it's got straight-cut gears.
Right.
So when you're driving down the road, you're making an awful lot of noise.
Yeah. It's part of it.
And
yeah.
the open exhaust, this is the Works 4-branch exhaust system.
Right. Okay.
Very little silencing.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it's not for shall we say, the shy and reserved.
Yeah. Yeah. The wallflowers.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
You do get noticed in it.
Yeah.
But it's a lovely machine, great
It is-
fun
it
to
is
drive.
brilliant. Yeah.
And I thought, well, on a beautiful day like today, why not?
Why
not
not?
come in the car with no roof?
Yeah. To be honest, I saw it drive in, and I wasn't sure if it's yourself, but my eye just followed it all the way through
yeah.
until you parked it, and I realised it was you. So.
But as I say, I can't take any credit for building it. That was the previous owner.
No, but you're enjoying it now, and you're keeping it going, aren't you?
Exactly that, yeah.
So-
It's a wonderful thing.
Beautiful.
Austin 7 Ulster.
Yeah, that is amazing. Right, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that, Dave. Really appreciate you for that. I'm going to do a walk around video of this amazing little machine now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and share the channel with anyone that you might think is vaguely interested. Keep safe and happy motoring. Thank you.